Everyone's so quiet here in New Zealand. We don't want to be the noisy guys. Parang lagi na lang kami yung maingay. Kaya parang nasanay kami bumubulong-bulong eh. Ayaw namin yung kami yung maingay dito. Happy Dabbercads. Am I doing it right?
Yes.
Yeah. Have a great day, folks. At shout out sa mga hindi pa naliligo! Tulad namin! Yay!
Yeah!
Proud pa eh. No? Alamig eh!
Bakas sa mga mukha ni Judy Ann ang kasiyahan na manirahan dito sa New Zealand. Napaka-peaceful nga kasi ng lugar na ito, tahimik, fresh air at malamig pa. Mababait din ang mga tao sa New Zealand kaya naman ang happy vacation ng Agoncillo family napakasaya. Dahil kararating pa lang nila hindi pa nga sila nakaka-adjust sa ginaw dito.
Stopping the video when it tells the truth.
Masarap ngang manirahan sa New Zealand at ayon kay Ryan Agoncillo, ito raw talaga ang favorite place to live nila. May purpose nga kaya sila nagpunta dito at binanggit niya ito sa kanyang live.
That's it right here, and let's read some shoutouts, Bob. Alright. Hi, guys. So, kamusta po kayo mga Dabbercads? Miss na miss ko na rin kayo. But right now, we are in Rotorua, New Zealand. And we're enjoying a gorgeous afternoon here by the lake. Right there. Oh, look. Okay. Look at those. How can I flip it?
Kasama nga ang kanyang panganay na si Johan sa live at tumambay sila sa lake. Umakyat nga sila ng bundok, dalawa at sinubukan kung gaano nila kaya ang paglalakad dito ng sobrang ginaw.
No? Si Mercy de la Cruz says, "Good morning, Ryan. We miss you in Eat TV5. Yes, I miss you guys too. It's just that we're out here in New Zealand kasi po, it's 2023, such a great year for Filipino sports. Not only are we having some success in FIBA basketball, and we're also out here dahil ang mga anak ko at kami na rin, yung pamilya namin, we're football fans. If you guys didn't know, the Philippines, particularly ang ating Filipinas, ang ating Philippine team ng women's ay nag-qualify sa World Cup, and we took the chance to come out and watch them play. And first time po namin manunood ng World Cup, and nasa paborito pa naming lugar katulad ng New Zealand, kaya nandito kami. We got a shout out. At shout out sa mga hindi pa naliligo tulad namin! Yay!
Yeah!
Proud pa eh. Alamig eh! Kaya piling-pili yung mga ligo natin, guys. Choose wisely. Alright.
Manonood nga sila at susuportahan ang Team Philippines na kasali sa World Cup Football. Sa mga hindi nga nakakaalam, ang buong Agoncillo family ay fan ng football. Kaya ang mga sports ng kanilang mga anak ay football din. First time daw nilang manonood ng football game live at dito nga ito gaganapin sa New Zealand.
Both are athletes sa
New Zealand kaya hindi mabobore dito kapag bumisita at lalo na kapag tumira. Mababait din daw ang mga tao at disiplinado.
So, hindi ko muna babasahin yung comments nyo guys kasi baka malaglag ako sa tinagawa ko.
Shout out.
Shout it out. Oh, you be careful, Bob, huh?
Yes po.
Whoosh. Are you wearing shoes? Okay. I thought you've gone all Kiwi on me and went barefoot. Alright.
We're
Guys.
almost there.
Alright. There you go. Okay. Yeah, ilang steps na lang, guys. Oh. You okay? Okay. There you go. A few more steps.
Yay!
Ooh, wind's kicking. There you go. Okay. Oh, beautiful day. Oh, now you're freezing. Not yet? Is it? Oh, no. Hey, that's cool. Oh, you want to go to the docks over there? There. You can sit by the water. Hey, guys. It's a beautiful afternoon out here in New Zealand. And hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit itong anak ko hindi giniginaw. You got warmers on?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, okay. Cool. Let's sit out here by the docks. Is it just your pride saying that you're not freezing?
Yes.
Yeah! See, I knew it. I knew I was going to freeze my butt off. So here you go. Ah.
The pool was in Hong Kong.
Oh, really? Oh, the one you competed in.
Yeah.
Okay.